Do you want to be able to fix Instagram ban? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So actually, for this to work, you need to have at least 2 accounts on Instagram. So if one of your account is banned, then make sure that you're logged into your other account. And the reason why you want to come to your other account is because you need to come to the profile right here of the other account and then click on the 3 lines in the top right corner, and then in here click where it says settings, because then you should be taken to this page right here. As you can see, now click on help in here and then click on report a problem, and then once again click on report a problem, and we can click on include and continue in here. The reason why you want to come to this page right here is because in here you are actually able to contact Instagram support. So you need to be able to actually explain to them that one of your account has been banned and you want to be able to actually make that account be unbanned instead. And you need to, of course, give them some kind of reason why you want that account to be unbanned. So you can write something like this: my account, and then of course write the username, or the username of that Instagram account in here was banned wrongfully because, and then write the reason why you think it was banned wrongfully, of course. Please unban my account. So basically the reasons why you might think that it was banned incorrectly, it can be a lot of reasons why, but for example, maybe you were following way too fast and after that your account was banned. Just explain to them that basically you've been following too fast, but you're not going to do it anymore. So just give them a reason why you think that the account should be unbanned, and after you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. And it should take about 3 to 5 business days for Instagram to actually see this message, and hopefully after that your account will be unbanned. It's of course no guarantee for it to work, but I've seen that some of these reports have actually been able to get an Instagram account back. So this is for sure worth to try, right? So basically this is exactly how you can actually do this. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.